Hey guys, it's your boy Couchman, and today we're going to be putting an iPad in the microwave for 10 seconds. Now, look, sorry. If you're wondering why I have a tablet and two iPads, it's because my mom worked at this old school, and she brought home those iPads for me, and we were going to bring them back, but then she was like, since she was leaving the school, going to a different one, she kind of just like erased everything on the iPad, including the tracker. So it's my iPad now, both mine. So I'm gonna be putting two iPads and a tablet in the microwave. Oh, Jesus. For 10 seconds. And I have a timer on my phone so I can see. There you go. See, nice and tight. And yeah, so now we just gotta wait for 10 seconds to come. Yeah, so how you guys doing? How are you guys doing? Okay, it's been 10 seconds. So guys, let's see if they have exploded. I doubt it. They might have exploded. I heard a pretty loud bang after I shut it. So let's see if they exploded. Guys, I can't lift it up. Guys, I can't lift it up without two hands. That's gonna be hard because they're super heavy. Hey guys. Guys, well, that is what happens when you put an iPad and a tablet all together in a microwave. Nothing happens. It's just a dumb myth. Yeah, but it's kind of cool. You know. If you guys want to talk to my baldy ball Wilson, I'm Wilson. Yeah, well, yeah. Oh wait, Johnny Couch is at my door. Better go answer it. Oh no, that's just another child molester. They keep on showing up at my house for some reason. I don't know why. Now someone's at my house again. Well, let's see who it is. Oh, 5 child molesters banging on my door. These child molesters, I swear. These child molesters. Someday they're gonna be the death of me. Oh. So back to the story of the iPads. They didn't do crap. They didn't explode or anything. Oh, do you guys want to see my Trump sticker? Yeah, my Trump sticker. Yeah, so I got my Trump sticker. Nothing happened. So that's kind of bad, I guess. Yeah, but guys, if you guys want to see more, well, I don't really know. So, guys, if you want to see more of me putting technology in the microwave for 10 seconds, oh man, nothing happened. Just a waste, man. Just who buys an iPad and doesn't put it in the microwave for 10 seconds? Come on, who doesn't do that? Who doesn't do that? Who doesn't do that? Well, guys, bye.